In a saucepan, add 4 egg yolks and 70 grams of sugar. Then whisk well until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. In 200 milliliters of cold milk, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix until the starch is completely dissolved. Pour the milk with the cornstarch into the egg mixture and mix well. Place the saucepan on the stove over low heat and cook, stirring constantly without leaving the stove until the mixture thickens. Transfer the mixture into a mold and place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, transfer the dessert onto a plate. Shave some chocolate on top for decoration. Slice the dessert and enjoy its delicate, creamy flavor. Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.